everyone, and welcome to the next episode of the Tech Circle Gadget Show. Now, as you know, last time around we reviewed the Nokia Lumia 920 for you, but this time we have something very special. The latest from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy S4 that sports a 5-inch capacitive touchscreen display and is powered by an Octa processor, which is amazing for a smartphone. Now, as you all know, the Galaxy S3 was designed for humans, but this one, as the company claims, is a life companion. Now, before taking any more time, let's dive into the review.
Now, to start off with, we're going to unbox the Galaxy S4 for you. As you can see, this is the Galaxy S4's box. So let's open and see what's inside. So you get a phone at the start. This is how your Galaxy S4 looks like. Let's see what else is in the box. So you get a charging cord that actually allows you to charge the device and also doubles up as the USB connector. Apart from that, you also get the earphones. Now these actually look a lot cool, and these are in-ear earphones, as you can see. The first thing you notice about the smartphone is its lightness. Despite the large size, it is actually very light. Now it has a 5-inch Full HD Super AMOLED touchscreen display with 441 pixels per inch density, which is even higher than the iPhone 5. It runs on the latest Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean operating system with Samsung's Touch Wiz user interface and is powered by a 1.6 octa-core processor, which makes multitasking a breeze on this device. It also has 2 GB of RAM, and in terms of internal memory, users will have a choice between 16 GB, 32 GB and 62 GB models. On the connectivity front, the device has infrared, Bluetooth 4.0, Wi-Fi and 3G, and comes with a micro USB port and a micro SD card slot. The device has a 2600 mAh battery and is only 7.9 mm and weighs 130 grams. As for the camera, this one has a 13 megapixel autofocus rear camera with LED flash and zero shutter lag that can also record full HD videos, and a second front facing 2 megapixel camera for video calling that can also record full HD videos at 30 frames per second. It also boasts a dual camera function that allows simultaneous use of the front and back camera. The camera is also equipped with 12 shooting modes that include drama shot, auto, night, sports, panorama, eraser, rich tone, and sound and shoot. Let's also give you a look how the internet surfing is on the device. Now let us just select one of our bookmarks, that is the Tech Circle website, and show you how it is displayed on the smartphone. The site is displayed in a very nice manner. Let's go into the different orientation to give you a better view. Now, as you can see, this is the Tech Circle website, and once you increase the size of the matter on the site, you'll just see that it takes a little while to adjust. There's just a little time lag. Now, considering this has a large screen, obviously video watching would be a pleasurable experience in this. Let's just give you an example of a preloaded video that comes with the device to show you how videos look on this device. As you can see, the videos look awesome on the device. Same goes with the pictures. Let's also show you how typing works on the smartphone. So because of the large screen, you'll actually need both your hands to type, and while typing is very simple, the problem is it can become a little problematic to type with just one hand. So you definitely need both the hands to type whatever you want. If you change it to this mode, you get a bigger screen, but again you'll definitely need two hands to type. Now, since this smartphone is a 5-inch screen, it's a given that users will use it to watch movies and read books. For the same, we preloaded a number of books to show you how the reading experience is on the smartphone. Now, as you can see, the matter is clearly visible, and it can actually be a joy to read on the books. The smartphone also comes with a smart scroll feature wherein the smartphone automatically changes the page or scrolls down the page whenever the user looks down. The only problem we found with this is that even if we look down for just a second and we haven't actually reached that para, the screen still scrolls up. We'll open the popular Angry Birds just to give you a quick look at how games are displayed on the smartphone. Let's just select any level and get right to it. So as you can see, because of the large screen, watching movies, playing games, reading books, all of it will be awesome. For some reason, the company has put special focus on the user's health by keeping them updated with an S Health app. Now what the app actually does is you can set a goal, and with the help of the app you can achieve the goal, and it tells you the miles that you've traveled, the distance that you've done, and the calories that you've burned. Now while it's a feature packed device and will keep the users occupied for hours, what we felt was using the smartphone's features can be a little complicated, and when we tried out some of them like Smart Stay, it actually did not work. On the whole, the smartphone is very good, but using it with one hand can become a problem, because as you can see, I cannot reach to the ends of the smartphone screen without using either both hands or changing how I hold the smartphone. So in order to use it, either you'll have to keep moving your hand or use both hands at the same time. The good thing about the smartphone was it never hung, and on a full battery we felt that the smartphone lasted a full day. It is light to hold and the build quality is nice, but then the backside still gives a little plastically feel, which we felt the company could have made better in this one. On the whole, it's very slim, which is amazing for a smartphone, and it is very light on the pocket despite the large size.
That's all for the review, but it's time now for the final verdict. At 13 megapixels, the camera in this smartphone is one of the best ones available in the market as of now. With 5 inches of screen, that too Super AMOLED Full HD, watching videos is a pleasurable experience. At Rs 39,500, we think this phone is definitely worth a buy. On an ending note, we'd like to tell you that it'll definitely be interesting to see what would be Apple's answer to the Galaxy S4. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.